Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you a delicious cake recipe. It's a soft and moist vanilla cake with apricot jam and cream cheese frosting. This recipe is perfect for just about any occasion. So, let's get started! In a small bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, pinch of salt and the zest from 1 orange. Set it aside. In another mixing bowl, combine 4 eggs and 2/3 cup of white granulated sugar. Beat them together on high speed for about 3 to 5 minutes until thick and fluffy. Then gradually fold in the flour mixture using a rubber spatula. I am using an 8-inch cake pan, greased and dusted with flour and lined with parchment paper. Put the butter into the prepared cake pan. Bake in preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes, or until it is thick. Insert it into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Meanwhile, let's make the cream cheese frosting. In a mixing bowl, whisk together 2 cups of chilled heavy cream, 1 cup of chilled cream cheese, half cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring until the stiff peaks form until the frosting holds in shape. Once the cake is completely cooled, use a long knife to slice it in half horizontally, creating 2 layers. Spread about 3 tablespoons of apricot jam or any jam you like over the first layer. Then spread a generous amount of cream cheese frosting on top. Place the second layer on top and cover the whole cake with the remaining frosting. Keep in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. For decoration, I'm going to make flowers out of marshmallows. And for finishing touch, I am adding homemade chocolate butterflies. And that's it. Our cake is ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching.